Your business deserves more visibility and engagement through high quality videos, but we know how challenging it can be to produce effective content, then getting eyeballs on that content. I'm Brady Barty, and welcome to TubeFlex, your strategy-driven video production partner. We're committed to helping you achieve organic growth on YouTube by creating videos and a strategy that resonates with your audience and drives real results. We believe that every successful video starts with a compelling message and planning ahead with smart YouTube optimization. That's why our platform is designed to support you through every step of the process, from planning to filming to editing, all the way to uploading to your YouTube channel. We've got you covered. With over 5,000 videos created for brands worldwide and more than 400 million collective views in the past 2 years alone. Plus, at TubeFlex, we've developed a unique video marketing funnel strategy that generates unlimited leads, boosts sales, accelerates growth, transforming brands from invisible to unforgettable and profitable. We're here to ease your burdens and make video production more accessible and effective for your B2B and B2C company. Click the Get Started button now if you want more eyeballs, more leads, and more sales. If you need more time, don't worry. Simply request a free custom YouTube strategy plan by clicking the red request button. Let's work together to expand your brand with TubeFlex.